Hi traders, this is Sin with the New Level Trading Report for Wednesday, May 18th. The Dow was up again today with an 80-point gain. The S&P futures gained 14 points and the NASDAQ futures were up 24 points. Commodities were also higher as the FOMC minutes were announced. I wanted to take a look at the 5-minute chart on the S&P futures, and as you can see over the past 5 days, quite a bit of chop. We had this nice low at 1316 and then started trending upward yesterday and continued that uptrend throughout the day today. We're actually at a triple top, which should resolve to the upside. Let's take a quick look at the daily, and as you can see, I have a downtrend drawn. However, I think that's more of a bull flag. We did have that doji yesterday that came just below the 50-period moving average but closed above it. And for now, it looks like we are trending upward, and we do have a little bit of resistance here in this area. And this is actually a candle from back in February at 1342.50. So we'll see if that breaks through. But if we take a quick look at the weekly, you can see that we really have not broken any downtrend or any uptrend at all. We're still trending up really nicely. Don had some nice trades with CMG. As you can see, this looks like a bull flag. However, he caught this very nicely to the downside. He had 4 bear call spreads and had a profit of $1,900. He also traded silver futures. He had, I think he had 6 round trips, and as you can see, lots of chop throughout the last few days. However, today, nice uptrending day, a little bit choppy, but he caught 4 trends to the upside, or trades to the upside, and 1 to the downside for $2,400 in profits. He also traded the Russell futures and paired some of his gains. He actually ended up with a $2,100 profit for the day. Today, Brian took over trading duties after the market lunch hour and had a really nice NASDAQ futures trade to the downside. He also took time to do some analysis of member trades using the volume profile. He discussed Google, Apple, Netflix, and SODA, S-O-D-A. He also showed us how to set up the bracket orders on the TOS platform, as well as how to use a Fibonacci retracement for a smaller time frame. And as you can see, this is a 2-minute chart. This is midday, and this did resolve to the upside here. But as you can see, we came down into this area, had a nice little retracement to the 38% and then to the 62%, and then obviously on back onto that 100% retracement. He also uses it's a custom RSI indicator for finding overbought possibilities, as well as seeing divergence in the candles. I want to take a quick look at our bubble study, and let's go really quickly here. There we go. And as you can see, quite a bit of upside movement in Dell. Had a really nice day, almost a little over 5%. Analog devices up almost 6%. The Interpublic Group up about 5%. Obviously, Tesoro was also up a little over 4%. VeriSign was up 4%. Lots of gainers, obviously. FFIEV up 4.5%. FCX also had a nice day, almost 4%. As you can see, quite a few to the upside. To the downside, obviously, Aflac was the major decliner with over 6% in losses today. Hershey's also had a 2.8% decline today, and Target had earnings today with a little over 1% decline. Also, Hewlett-Packard, they had the worst day yesterday, basically almost flat today with just a 0.42% decline. Tomorrow's economic news, we have the job claims report, the existing home sales, Philly Fed, natural gas report, and leading indicators. So all major market movers, so it should be an interesting trading day. Tomorrow's earnings include retailers, Aeropostale, which is ARO, Children's Place, PLCE, Dollar Tree, which is DLTR, Foot Locker, which is FL, ROST, which is Ross Stores, and GPS Gap Stores. Also Sears, which is SHLD, and WSM, which is Williams-Sonoma. Again, we'll leave you with a screenshot of our website, www.newleveltraders.com. If you need to get a hold of us for any reason, our number is on our website. Thanks again for checking in. We hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.